Damu education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to start our second question. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So two numbers they are given. So let's going to take what you have to take. Let two numbers are, we can take two different numbers. Two numbers are x and y. Then what they are given? Sum will be equal to two numbers sum. Sum of the two numbers will be equal to 27. That will be x plus y will be equal to 27. And what is that? Product. So product is nothing but multiplication, that is x into y will be equal to 182. So this is the expressions what they are given. So in this one we have to write any one thing in one variable. Let's going to write y in the format of x. So y will be equal to 27 minus x. So this one will be equal to, we are going to substitute in this 182. So let's going to take, what is that, x into y. X into y will be equal to 182. But what is y from this above expression? So x into 27 minus x will be equal to 182. So this is 27x minus x square will be equal to 182. So let's going to write, this is in the format of, let's going to take minus as a common. So let's going to shift this 182 to the left side. So 27x minus x square minus 182 will be equal to 0. Here it will become plus. Plus will become minus. So let's going to take common of x. So x should become front. So let's going to multiply with the minus x. So minus if you take common. So minus 27x plus x square plus 182 will be equal to 0. So this minus we are going to substitute here. So we can write as x square minus 27x plus 182 will be equal to 0. So let's going to take this one as it is expression. So what is this one? So x square minus 27x plus 182. So we can write 182 as 13 into 14. So 182, if you divide this 182 as prime factors, so 2, so we can go with the 2. So 2 9s are, then 2 1s are. So 13 into, so 13 7s are. Then 27, so 2 into 7 into 13. So 14 into 13, then if you add this one, we will get it as 27. So let's going to write this one as minus 14x minus 13x, then we will get it as this one. So 14 into 13. So you can take common from these two terms, we can take common of x minus 14. So let's going to take, these are the two terms x minus 14. Then from here you can take common of minus 13. Then x minus 14, that will be equal to 0. Then x minus 14 into x minus 13, that will be equal to 0. So if you take x minus 14 and x minus 13, so what values we will get it here is, so either x minus 14 will be equal to 0 or x minus 13 will be equal to 0. Then x is equals to 14. Then x is equals to 13. Then what is the one number we got it? So x one number we got it as x is equals to 14 and x is equals to 13. If x is equals to 14, that implies y will be equal to 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 14. What answer we will get? So 13 we will get. So what is the one? 30. Then if x is equals to 13, that implies y will be equal to 27 minus x. 27, x value is 13, then what answer? 14. So if x is equals to 13, one combination is 14. If x is equals to 14, one combination is 13. Like this we have to find it. So let's go into the two numbers are 13 and 14. Two numbers, x is equals to 13, y is equals to 14, and x is equals to 14 and y is equals to 13. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.